From this video, you will get tips to prepare for Salesforce Certified Platform Strategy Designer exam. What is Salesforce Certified Platform Strategy Designer exam? Who should pursue the certification? Exam information. Exam topics. How to prepare. 1. The design team at CloudKicks is making the case for analogous research as part of the design process for a brand new experience. What should analogous research help them accomplish? A. Bring fun into an otherwise boring project. B. Explain a complex strategy to varied stakeholders. C. Generate unexpected ideas and increase empathy. Answer: C. 2. A startup specializing in creating healthcare apps for both patients and family caregivers is looking for ideas to develop new features. The company plans on organizing a brainstorming session with staff members from various teams. What is a rule strategy designers should follow when facilitating a brainstorming session? A. Emphasize critique of proposed ideas. B. Explore qualitative assessment of proposed ideas. C. Encourage participants to build on proposed ideas. Answer: C. 3. CloudKicks learns that some website visitors, especially those who can't see high contrast color palettes, do not convert into customers. What should the strategy designer do to solve for this accessibility challenge? A. Ideate marketing concepts to reach new audiences. B. Conduct an empathy workshop to understand the audience. C. Invite users to co-create as accessibility experts. Answer: C. 4. A strategy designer is facilitating a prioritization workshop, and there are strong differing opinions about the right solutions to the challenge. What should the designer do? A. Pause the conversation and work through the conflict in a private setting. B. Take a vote among people in the room and pursue the winning opinion. C. Work through the conflict in the workshop to reach a shared perspective. Answer: C. 5. Executive stakeholders have a variety of projects they want to bring to the market across multiple priorities. What is the most effective way a strategy designer could influence the stakeholders? A. Invite stakeholders as optional to all design team reviews. B. Create team-building events with stakeholders to build trust. C. Orient around outcomes that matter to stakeholders. Answer: C. 6. CloudKicks is making sustainability a new core value. Which methodology should a strategy designer use to help stakeholders understand the impact of that decision on current products and services? A. Heuristics evaluation. B. Business model canvas. C. Corporate integrity workshop. Answer: B. 7. A strategy designer has noticed that stakeholder perspectives often take a features-first mindset when discussing the problem space and user insights. Which co-creation approach should help stakeholders shift to a user's first mindset before discussing solutions? A. Process mapping workshop. B. Prioritization workshop. C. Empathy workshop. Answer: C. 8. A strategy designer is working on a future digital commerce vision for CloudKicks. What should the designer focus on when engaging technical stakeholders? A. Minimize technical stakeholders' input at this early stage. B. Ensure all ideas have buy-in from technical stakeholders. C. Explore feasibility and opportunities for future innovation. Answer: C. 9. The design team at CloudKicks used qualitative research to uncover an opportunity to create a new line of sustainable footwear. What should the strategy designer do to build a shared understanding and agreement among business leaders to move forward with this new initiative? A. Select the most senior stakeholders' goal as a path forward. B. Share customer needs and tie them to business goals. C. Complete a competitive analysis collaboratively in a workshop. Answer: B. 10. A strategy designer is leading a project to reimagine in-app communication form. The CIO is a key decision-maker but appears to be neutral and even, at times, a detractor to the project. What should the designer do to gain their alignment? A. Set up a conversation with the CIO to name the challenge and listen to their objections. B. Ask the sponsor to speak to the CIO on behalf of the project and explain how it meets team needs. C. Email the stakeholders reiterating project status and asking for any objections to the approach. Answer: A. Subscribe and like. Pass question.